The contestants were allowed to sing in Hindi, Urdu as well as English, but no other regional language. To all of you, thank you very much. Let's give a round of applause to all 43 participants here. I think each one did an amazing job. We'll take a few minutes. The results are almost, for those of you that have been following it on the screens, you'll probably already know some of the ones that are going to be shortlisted, and we'll have them on the stage here performing for you in just a few minutes. I want to take Bindya, if you're here, Bindya, if you would please come to my left here, left of the stage, I would appreciate that. I want to thank Studio D Dallas. They are presenting our Fun Asia Singing Competition 2014. The first one that we are having here, and I'm sure many more to come after this. Times and places may change, but a woman's desire for fashion remains unfaltering. With a flutter of chiffon and unabashed glamour, Studio D, ladies and gentlemen, whirled into the fashion scene almost half a decade ago and is now a reputable brand with a rapidly expanding national presence. Headquartered right here in Dallas, Texas, Studio D features a multifaceted showcase encompassing the very best of South Asian couture and is always at your service to honor and fulfill your fashion needs and desires and to help transform you into an avant-garde yet traditional diva, the lady who knows exactly what she wants and how to get it. So that is Studio D, a name to remember. I want you all to know the sari I'm wearing is thanks to Studio D also. So if you like it, you can thank Divya Agarwal. She's right there in our audience. Divya, would you stand up and say hi to everybody? The collection focuses greatly in luxury, finish, texture, details and colors, all of which are designed to give a feel of modern opulence and timelessness. The Studio D label boasts of couture, Priette, casual and luxury clothing for women. The owner of the brand is Divya Agarwal. She's right here with us and she takes great pride in her endeavors and is fondly referred to as a Tour de France of talent in the South Asian world of fashion. Besides successfully designing and managing her own brand, Divya, ladies and gentlemen, also delves into many creative faculties. Designed ensembles for Miss India USA finalists in the designer category, continues being a proud sponsor of Fun Asia's beauty pageant every year, sponsors various non-profit organizations, namely Chetna, Pratham and the Dallas Indian Lions Club, eminent judge for various fashion events and contests. She's a professional to the core, has been ushering in a new wave of couture, one woman at a time, with a smile, a passion and commitment to stand by you as you bask in the glory of that special moment. Big thanks going to our presenting partner this evening, StudioDDallas.com. Divya, thank you very much. Nature Rich Labs. Nature Rich Labs provided all these gifts. So thank you very much for all these gifts. And of course we have from Fun Asia also special gifts for all of you participants. We'll tell you what they are in just a moment as we get the results of our shortlisted. I want to thank some of the Fun Asia team that has been helping here very efficiently for days. I want to thank Vaibhav and Ashley. They went through hundreds and hundreds of auditions, I want you all to know, in the last couple of months before we finalized these 43 names that have just sung for you. And it was very difficult. It's very, and I can see that how tough it is on the judges. Oh, dekho, sar pakad ke baithe hain. Ki pata nahi kisko dene hain scores all. You still have a little more work to do. But thank you all very much, Mrs. Renu Chandra and Mr. Javed Taj, as well as Mrs. Richa Purohit for being here. We are honored to have such an esteemed panel of judges. I am going to invite our beauty contest winners to come on the stage and be a part of our evening today. As you know, we've had for a few years been presenting a beauty competition to all of you, and the winners, the reigning queen, Miss Fun Asia, is Ashley Kumar. Ashley, if you'd walk on the stage, please. Thank you very much. She is our Miss Fun Asia 2014, and you see her at many of the events. So please make sure that you support her wherever you see her. She's very talented and, of course, as you can see, very, very beautiful. And our Mrs. Fun Asia has been Bindya Joshi. Bindya, if you'd come to the stage also, please. This is the first time this year that we had a married ladies contest also. So our Mrs. Fun Asia 2014, Bindya Joshi. And these ladies are there at all of our events that we have in town here. You'll see them all the time. And now, tonight, we're going to have some singing stars also who will be presented at all of our events. So thank you very much, ladies. You can walk around, mingle around, and look pretty. Thank you very much. Let's give a big round of applause to our current beauty queens here. All right, you're ready? You'll already know some of the winners. I know you've been following it very closely, some of you. Big thanks going out to the people who made this possible. Farooq, I want you to please stand up and show yourself to everybody. Farooq Vikar, ladies and gentlemen, he does our show every night from 9 to 12. He's the one you hear on our radio. He's recently moved from Dubai. And I'm sure he's made himself very comfortable here. But I want you to know that he was the person who actually gave us the idea of the singing competition, because he's done it in Dubai. So thank you very much. And he'd like to say a couple of words.
इबादतों की तरह मैं ये काम करता हूँ. इबादतों की तरह मैं ये काम करता हूँ. मेरा उसूल है सबसे पहले सलाम करता हूँ. तमाम डालस वासियों को फर्रुख विकार का आदाब और सलाम. मैं ये कहना चाह रहा था, सिर्फ मुख्तसर में 2 लाइन कहना चाहता हूँ तमाम पार्टिसिपेंट्स के लिए जिन्होंने आज यहाँ पर बेहतरीन से बेहतरीन मुजाहरा पेश किया है, कि इन आवाज़ों को, ये तमाम पार्टिसिपेंट्स के लिए हैं, इन आवाज़ों को कम न समझो, इनमें है बड़ा ही जोर. इन आवाज़ों को कम न समझो, इनमें है बड़ा ही जोर. इन्हीं में लता आशा होगी, इन्हीं में होंगे रफ़ी किशोर. थैंक यू.
Thank you, thank you. He's the one who planted that seed of this singing competition in our minds, and look where we are now. He's been very, very crucial in some of the selections here, as well as some of the all the auditions that we did. And as I told you, we had hundreds and hundreds of them to go through. We'd like to thank the rest of the Fun Asia team. Also, Vaibhav, of course. Vaibhav, we would like to come forward a moment here. Vaibhav, and Ashley is not here. Vaibhav does the evening show. Where are the others? I know they are here. Meetu and Neelam, they were helping out a lot there in the front, and I know they are here somewhere. You'll get to meet a lot of our RJs who are mingled somewhere here in the audience. All right, ready? So we have 10. We have exactly 10. We did not have more than that. So here we are. I'm going to, would you all come forward, please, on the stage? Contestant number 14. Contestant number 23. Contestant number 25. Contestant number 33. Number 36. Number 37. Number 39. Number 40. Number 42. And number 43. So these, ladies and gentlemen, are the 10 shortlisted. If you move a little bit this side, so there's enough room there. Thank you. So these are the 10 now. They are going to sing for you again. 2 minutes each, all of them. And out of these, the judges will be choosing 3. Of course, the winner, the first runner-up, and the second runner-up. If they're ties, then we'll tell you how to handle that one. But right now, we'll go ahead and they start afresh. Okay? None of the previous scores count now. They start afresh. All 10 of them are going to sing for you. And after these winners, of course, you all are going to choose 3 more. Now, I want you all to know that the 3 that get selected, the winner, the first runner-up, and the second runner-up, you all won't be voting for them anymore. We'll have 3 fresh winners. So we'll have 6 winners altogether this evening. Understood? Yes, okay. So let's go ahead and get started with their second tracks now. Okay, contestant number 14 can stay on the stage, and she'll be the first one singing her track 2. I want you all to know that they did provide us 2 tracks for those that would get selected in this round, and 10 of them did, so here we go. All right, great. Thank you very much. Contestant number 23.
मैं तेनू समझावांगी ना तेरे बिना लगदा जी मैं तेनू समझावांगी ना तेरे बिना लगदा जी तू की जाने प्यार मेरा मैं करूँ इंतजार तेरा तू दिल तू यूं जान मेरी मैं तेनू समझावांगी ना तेरे बिना लगदा जी तू की जाने प्यार मेरा मैं करूँ इंतजार तेरा तू दिल तू यूं जान मेरी मैं तेनू समझावांगी ना तेरे बिना लगदा जी मेरे दिल ने सुन लिया रे मेरे दिल दिया तुझको मेरे नाल तू रहता मेरे दिल दिया सा जीना मेरा है हुण है तेरा की मेरा तू कर इतबार मेरा मैं करूँ इंतजार तेरा तू दिल तू यूं जान मेरी मैं तेनू समझावांगी ना तेरे बिना लगदा जी
number 25. Thank you very much. Contestant number 33. Contestant number 36.
दिल क्यों ये मेरा शोर करे जरा देर में ये क्या हो गया, नजर मेरी कहाँ खो गया, जरा देर में ये क्या हो गया, नजर मेरी कहाँ खो गया। भीड़ में लोगों की वो है कहाँ, और प्यार के मेले में अकेला कितना हूँ मैं यहाँ। दिल क्यों ये मेरा शोर करे, दिल क्यों ये मेरा शोर करे, इधर नहीं उधर नहीं तेरी ओर चले।
That was contestant number 36. And now contestant number 37 on the stage.
तेरा मेरा रिश्ता है कैसा, एक पल दूर गवारा नहीं, तेरे लिए हर रोज है जीते, तुझको दिया मेरा वक्त सभी, कोई लम्हा मेरा ना हो तेरे बिना, हर सांस पे नाम तेरा, क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो, वो चैन भी मेरा दर्द भी मेरी आशिकी, अब तुम ही हो। जो यूं दे दिया है, तेरी वफा ने मुझको संभाला, सारे गमों को दिल से निकाला, तेरे साथ मेरा है नसीब जुड़ा, तुझे पाके अधूरा न रहा।
Thank you very much. Walking on the stage now is contestant number 39.
I'll be
number 40. We have 3 more in the second round. Contestant number 40. And now contestant number 42.
लागा चुनरी में दाग छुपाऊं कैसे, लागा चुनरी में दाग, चुनरी में दाग छुपाऊं कैसे, घर जाऊं कैसे, लागा चुनरी में दाग छुपाऊं कैसे, लागा चुनरी में दाग। मधा गमा गरे सा दादा किरदा धर बाज परत नहीं परन झांझर झनके जन नद दे तनु नद नदी तन नद तानु तन रे नदी तन नद ताऊ लूट रे नदी तन नद
Thank you very much. And one more contestant here. Number 43.
Kantara
That was our last contestant, and let's wait for our third judge to give the score. Thank you all very much.